Okay, here is the RA pathway. So let me see if I can fit everything into one screen here. So it can be caused by dehydration, or hemorrhage, or diarrhea. All these can cause the decrease in blood volume. Decrease in blood volume will cause the decrease in blood pressure. BP stands for blood pressure. And decrease in blood pressure will causes the secretion of renin. Secretion of renin, remember, it is from the juxtaglomerular apparatus in your kidney. And then renin, what renin does? Renin is an enzyme, so enzyme will speed up the reaction. Renin is a catalyst, it's an enzyme, will speed up a reaction. It will convert angiotensinogen which is produced by liver into angiotensin 1, angiotensin 1 will be converted into angiotensin 2. By an enzyme called ACE. ACE stands for angiotensin converting enzyme. ACE. And this ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme, it is produced by your lung. And angiotensin, what does it mean, angiotensin? Angio means blood vessels. Tens is like tension. So what is angiotensin? It is a molecule that can increase the tension of your blood vessels. So how can you increase the tension of your blood vessels? For angiotensin 2, it can have 3 functions. For angiotensin 2, yes, you will have 3 functions. So, as I said, that angiotensin meaning that it's a substance that can increase the tension of the blood vessel. What will be the simplest way to increase the tension of your blood vessels? It is by vasoconstriction. vasoconstriction. So vasoconstriction can increase the tension of the blood vessels. When we have vasoconstriction, what will happen? You will increase the blood pressure. When the blood vessels constrict, it will increase the blood pressure of your it will increase your blood pressure. When your blood vessels decrease in diameter, you will increase the blood pressure. And what are the two functions of the angiotensin II? It will make you more thirsty, increase your thirstiness, increase your thirst. Then when you are more thirsty, what will happen? You drink more water. When you drink more water, what will happen? You increase you drink more water, it will increase your blood volume. When your blood volume increases, it will restore or increase your blood pressure. The third function of angiotensin II is to secrete aldosterone. And it is secreted from our adrenal cortex. Adrenal cortex will secrete aldosterone, and aldosterone, what does it do? It will increase the sodium and water reabsorption. When we have more water being reabsorbed back to our body, what will happen? It will also increase our blood volume. When our blood volume is increased, then it will also in turn increase the blood pressure. And the increasing of blood pressure here is actually I don't know if you can see this, it is not very, it is a negative feedback. Increase in blood volume, blood pressure here is a negative feedback that counter the decrease in blood pressure at the beginning. What it means is that it restores your blood pressure back to the original level. So this is the flow chart for the RA pathway. I hope you will understand how it works, how our renal system, how our urinary system help our cardiovascular system.